Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Carol Masser, along with Matt Miller. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move. Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Denitsa Sikova in the house. Where shall we begin?
We should start with McDonald's. I think it ties well, with the conversation we have. McDonald's is up 3%. Ticker is MCD. Sales picked up last quarter. They've had a number of collaboration and budget meals, and it seems that this is working. The company is up only 6% year to date, so this was a much needed boost. Global sales at restaurants open for more than a year rose about 4%. This was more than the street expected. International markets are doing particularly well. What we're seeing in the U.S. is that Americans are spending more per trip, so that's helping. The results ended the quarter. There is some declining growth as the company was dealing with E. coli outbreak. There was backlash against American brands in the Middle East. There was consumer unease. And despite all of that, it seems the company has been doing well. Two interesting things that they flagged is a meal timed to the launch of Minecraft. And then their partnership with Squishmallows. I don't know if you follow those, but that's...
Those are those pillows or whatever?
Yeah.
Squishmallows?
The big fluffy ones.
Do you have a
They're very
Squishmallow?
cute.
Do your kids have Squishmallows?
We have a couple, but I'm not for them.
Matt, listen, you're among friends. You can tell us you have a few on your bed that you like.
They're very cute.
We have some Labubus too.
Oh my gosh.
I have no idea
That's a
what they
flex.
are.
Labubus.
I will say I love McDonald's French fries. And if I'm on a road trip, I go by and I'll get a nice tea.
Yeah, but have you had
fries.
French fries at Five Guys?
I don't know that I love those as much.
They're delicious.
But Five
Cooked in
Guys-
peanut oil.
Five Guys has the peanuts, right?
So healthy.
I like the peanuts. Let's get to stock number 2, Snap.
Snap shares are down. Obviously, the company is seeing a slowdown in advertising revenue. Advertising revenue accounts for about 90% of their revenue, so it's pretty much the whole story. Stock is down 17% today. Ticker is SNAP. There was obviously a technical issue with ad buying too. Earlier this year, the company said that second quarter sales were actually shy of what Wall Street was expected. Revenue in June was hit by what we saw in that advertising auction when they send an update. And actually, people marketed apps at substantially reduced prices. So the company says that after that, it has recovered. Advertising revenue is growing, but still a massive hit to the company, which is already down nearly 30% year to date.
Didn't Mandeep say to us?
Take a guess at how many daily active users there are at Snap globally.
Oh, wow.
Globally.
Oh,
There's a lot.
What would you guess?
500,000.
It's 500 million, according to Mandeep
500
Singh.
million. I meant to say 500 million.
He says that there are 98 million in America
Wow.
using it on an everyday basis. It just sounds like too many to me.
But he also mentioned, too, that they're not a great company in terms of giving guidance. So you often see swings when they report.
Yeah, you see a lot of volatility. That makes sense.
All right, LCID, another one that
Lucid.
reported after the close last night. Lucid, yeah.
Yes, car makers have been on a tough ride. This is the latest one to temper expectations. The company expects to produce between 18,000 and 20,000 electric vehicles this year. This is down what the company projected earlier this year.
Nothing,
I
right?
can produce that many in my garage.
Yes, we can all do as much. Lucid's adjusted loss was more than the street expected. Obviously, automakers have been under a lot of pressure due to soaring costs from the tariffs. EV makers, in particular, have seen a lot of other struggles with the EV credit and a lot of regulatory pressure. Tesla has warned that this dynamic will weigh on those companies. That said, we heard about the robotaxi launch that is together with Uber that is expected in 2026. So maybe that would be potential boost. But for now, stock is down nearly 30% this year.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.